Hi guys and welcome to How to Maximize. For today's video, I will show you how to add a clickable link to TikTok bio. To start, open your TikTok application in your mobile device. Once you are now on TikTok, tap on your profile on the bottom right. Once you are now in your profile, the next step is to click on the three horizontal lines on the upper right this time. Then in here, you are going to click on Settings and Privacy. Once you are now in Settings and Privacy, the next step is to click on Account. Over at your account, you are now going to switch to Business Account. Tap on it. Then in here, just follow the instructions and then keep on clicking the next button. In here, in choosing a category, choose what category fits your TikTok profile. When you choose one, tap on Next once again. In here, you will need to add your email so that it will be binded with your TikTok application or your TikTok account. Once you are done, you have now switched to Business Profile. Now head on over back to your TikTok profile. Tap on the three horizontal lines once again, close it for now, and then click on Edit Profile. Once you are now in Edit Profile, click on your bio. And then in here, as an example, I've already pasted a link. Over at this area right here right now, you can now change this to whatever link you want to add to your TikTok bio. Then click on Save on the upper right. Over at your socials, you can also add your Instagram page. When you click on Login with Instagram, in here, all you need to do is to input your username and password so that you'll be able to log in with Instagram. Once done inputting your credentials, tap on Login. Over here, just click on Allow. Now head on over back to your profile. As you can see on your bio, there is now a clickable link available. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Please leave a like, share, and subscribe to the channel.